Ngatho cia mwanya wacuka wa Kiarie nao arutwo makiria ma milioni 1.13 aria marikitie gwika igeranio cia KJSEA a grade ya 9 ni matanyitwo kuheo mwerekera wa thukuru iria metitwo mathaa manini kumanagia na riu. Kuringana na Ministry ya Githomo, mihango eno ya kwandikithia arutwo thukuru-ini nirikireire. Aciari arutwo ro hamwe na areria ciana nimegukorwo na mweke wa gucenjia thukuru iria metitwo oro hamwe na gucenjia kiria murutwo erirĩirie guthomera kuringana na wendi wake. Arutwo aya matanyitwo kuingira thukuru ici kuma tariki 12 mweri turorete.
To be able to know which schools and pathways they have been placed, a learner sends the assessment number to the number 22263, and there then instantly they will be able to know which schools and pathways they have been placed. 2026 will be a unique year in the education sector. For the first time, our senior schools will lose both 844 learners and also the first born of the competence-based education cohorts, CBE. This is a novel development which generates both excitement and anxieties. We have faith that our teachers are well prepared for attendant challenges in the unfolding arrangement.